A very good morning to each and everyone. How are you all doing, my dear students?
I am fine, thank you.
All right, very good, very good. My dear students, in the previous session, we have completed discussing exercises 2.1 and 2.2 from module 3, right? Have you all completed all the notes from both these exercises?
Yes.
I had sent the notes to you all, right? To cross check. I will tell you, I will tell. And today I request all of you to take module 4, page number 32. Page number 32. We are going to begin with module 4, exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1, module 4, page number 32. Are you all ready? Page number 32. Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Exercise 2.1. Workbook, Sridhar, I have already sent the message in the group. Please check the messages regularly. All of you, okay? Yeah. Today, as I said, we are going to begin with exercise 2.1 of module number 4. Module number 4. For that, we need to take page number 32. Are you ready? Yes. Okay. Very good. Exercise 2.1. In exercise 2.1, we have to fill the missing letters and complete the names of the things. Complete the names of the things which are given as pictures or images in that particular exercise. Okay. There are around 6 images or pictures. We have to complete their names. Their names are printed there, but they are not complete. They are not complete. So what we need to do is we have to complete their spellings, the spellings of their names. For that, we need to first identify the image, what is given in the picture, and then we have to complete the spellings of their names. Okay? Page number 32, Jewel. 32. Okay, is everybody ready? Okay.
Ma'am, she's saying yes, ma'am. Which?
Literature workbook. My dear students, why don't you check the messages which the teachers send? The teachers are instructing you to be ready with the books. If you don't follow those instructions, it will be very difficult. Okay?
Page number what? 32. Ma'am, I took it.
Yeah, okay. Those who have taken, very good. Those who have not taken, please take page number 32. Are you ready now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay,
Yes,
good.
Yes.
Just give me a second. Yes. Okay. I request Prarthana to unmute her device and identify the first picture. First picture on page 32, exercise 2.1. Identify the object which is given in the first position. Yes. Prarthana, unmute your device and identify the first thing. Page number 32. 32. I'll show it to you here on the screen as well. This one. Can you see it?
Exercise number, ma'am, exercise.
2.1. Page 32. Identify this thing that you see here. Prarthana, do you know? If you don't know, you can tell me that.
Nut.
Identify. Yes, nut. But it has a particular name. You cannot just say nuts. What is the name of this thing? Anybody else wishes to try?
Ma'am, Sarah?
Yes. Peanuts. Yes, Ayush. Peanuts. Peanuts, yes.
Peanuts.
Peanuts. Peanuts. Peanuts. Peanuts. Peanuts. Okay, very good, Ayush. Some other students also gave me the answer. Good. Thank you. Peanuts. These are peanuts. You cannot call them merely as nuts. You must say the correct word. Peanuts. Peanuts. Okay, very good. Now, only those children whom I ask will give me the answers. Others will, if they want to answer, they can raise their hands. Don't just answer together. Good. Sarah, unmute and identify the animal in the second picture.
Squirrel.
Yes, very good. Spelling.
Squirrel.
Very good. Squirrel. Squirrel. Squirrel, not squirrel. 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 Okay, good. Sarah, thank you. Hayan, try the third one. Identify the area which has lots of trees in it. Trees, see, you can see lots of trees.
Yes, ma'am. Forest.
Forest, very good. Spelling.
Forest.
Why are the others answering in between? Those who speak in between, I will not give them a chance now. Listen to me. The class becomes very noisy if you don't listen. I'll try to give chance to everybody. Hayan, once again, the spelling, please.
Forest.
Very good. Which word is it?
Forest.
Forest, yes. Forest. Forest. Very good. Thank you, Hayan. Agnes Jojo, unmute. Try the fourth one. Which animal is it?
Tiger.
Tiger. Very good. Spelling.
Tiger. Tiger.
Tiger. Tiger. Very good. Thank you, Agnes.
Welcome, ma'am.
Okay. Karthik, unmute. Try the fifth one. In which season do we celebrate Christmas? This is the name of that particular season.
Winter.
Winter. Very good. Don't say winter. Winter. Say it properly. Winter.
Winter.
Winter. Yes. Spelling.
Winter.
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 Very good. W-I-N. Win-T-E-R. Winter. Winter. Okay. Thank you, Karthik. Manav, try the sixth one.
B-A-L-L-O-O-N-S.
Fantastic. Balloons. B-A-L-L-O-O-N-S. Balloons. Thank you, Manav. Good effort. Now, my dear students, are you clear with the way we have to do this? We need to identify the images and then try to complete the spellings of their names. Unless and until we identify the images, we will not be able to get the correct spellings of those names, right? Okay, so first and foremost, we need to identify the images clearly. Okay, good effort. Thank you. Have you been able to complete the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, page.
Page number 32. It's here on the board also. Okay, now let's move to the next exercise, that is exercise 2.2 on page 33. 2.2 on page 33. Here also we have to do this exercise in the same way. We have to identify the things given in the images and we have to complete the spellings of their names. Very good. Malavika, try. Unmute and try the first one.
F dash O
Yes.
W
It's not F. F.
F dash O W dash R.
Mm.
Flower.
Flower. Very good. Spelling.
Flower.
Fantastic. Flower. Flower. Okay. Very good. Thank you, Malavika. Flower. Flower. Junaita Joshi. Identify the second image.
Monkeys.
Monkeys. Monkeys. Say again. Monkeys. Okay, spelling. Spelling.
M
Not yem. M.
O N K E Y S.
Yes. Monkeys. 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 Very good. Thank you. Muhammad Rishan, try the third one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Leaves. Very good. Spelling.
Leaves.
Leaves. Well done. Thank you, Rishan. What color are the leaves? Leaves are green in color. Very good. Thank you. Why are the others answering in between again? My dear students, please avoid doing that. Okay. Rehan, unmute. Try the fourth one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Please try the fourth one.
Light.
Light. Very good. Spelling. G-H-T. Light.
GHT.
Yes. L-I-G-H-T. Light. Okay. Thank you, Rehan. Aarti, try the fifth one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Look at the image number 5 and tell me what are the children doing?
Play.
Play. Yes, very good. What are they playing with? Spelling?
Ball.
Ball. They are playing with a ball. Say it in a complete sentence, Aarti.
They're playing with a ball.
They are playing with a ball. Help me with the spelling of the word play.
L-A-Y.
P-L-A-Y. Play. Well done, Aarti. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Henry, try the sixth one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
C-R. Excuse me.
Yes.
Ma'am.
C-R.
The spelling of dash Y dash and S.
Crayons.
Crayons.
So what will come after C-R?
O.
Crayons.
A.
A. C-R-A. Yawns.
Y.
Why?
O. S. Phones.
Others mute. Please.
O.
O-N-S. C-R-A-Y-O-N-S. Crayons. Crayons. Okay. Thank you, Henry. Good effort.
Ma'am.
You're welcome. My dear students, have you been able to complete both the exercises? I'll give you some time to complete.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah, don't say completed now. Please.
I have completed.
Okay, very good.
Ma'am.
Okay, okay, good, good. Now, if anybody has any doubt, you may raise your hand. If you have completed, go through the answers and check whether you have written all the answers in the correct, with the correct spellings or not. Go through them, check yourself. Okay, these are very simple exercises, right? Now, let's move on to module 5, page number 42. 4 to 42. Page number 42. Exercise 2.1. This exercise is about the names of fruits and vegetables. This exercise is about names of fruits and vegetables. But there is a difference in this particular exercise, and that difference is that it is given in the form of a puzzle. It's given in the form of a puzzle. So there are many letters, it's all jumbled up. We need to locate the correct spellings and the correct position of each word. Okay. For example, one is done for us. Brinjal. B-R-I-N-J-A-L. Which vegetable is this? Brinjal. Do you remember what is this called? What is this? The green part of the brinjal called? We have learnt this in standard 1. Yes, Hayan, yes?
Crown.
Crown, yes, very good, Hayan. Good, you remember that. This is the crown of the brinjal. What color is the crown of the brinjal?
Blue. Green.
Green in color, very good. The brinjal's crown is green in color. Okay, so the first one is already marked. Did you notice? B-R-I-N-J-A-L. Now, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 other fruits and vegetables given here. I want you, their spellings are also given below there. Their names with the spellings are given below the images, right? I want you to try and locate these vegetables and fruits, the names in this puzzle. Try to do it and mark them. One more I will try to do for you if you want. Orange, see? O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Try to mark like this. How brinjal is marked, the same way you have to do it. Try to do it on your own. Let me see whether you're able to do or not. I'll give you time to do it. Aisha, switch on the video.
When orange
Yes.
spelling O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange.
O-R-A-N-G-E, orange, yes.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Don't say that. No need to say that.
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Those who have completed may check their answers. Meanwhile, let the others do. I can see that everybody is looking at the images very keenly and doing. Good job.
Finish, ma'am. Orange finish.
What about the others?
Ma'am, t-shirt.
Hmm.
Ma'am, next
Okay, enough. Wait.
Yes, ma'am, full
Ma'am, orange side is apple.
Ma'am, I have completed.
My dear students, I have already said there is no need to say completed. That's a very bad habit. I can see what you all are doing from here. Okay? We must not disturb the others. Let them do their work, please. Some students are still doing the work. So we will give them time to do the work. Abhinav, have you completed the work? I cannot see you. Put your device properly.
I have a doubt.
Yes, who is that?
Where I can find P-E-A-R. I can't find that.
Which one? P-E-A-R. Look at it in a very close way. Pay your complete attention towards it and search.
A clue?
Clue? No, my dear, I cannot give you a clue. Okay, I'll give you one word. Some of the words are arranged vertically, like this, up to down. Whereas some words are given horizontally, from one side to the other side. Okay? So look both ways. Look both ways.
Ma'am, I have found it.
Okay. Those who have found it, well and good. No need to say. Some others are still trying. So let them do their work.
Apple.
Adel Maria, have you completed your work?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
5 letters are there.
Riza completed your work?
No.
Those who have completed the work, I request them to show the...
Agnes have completed.
Don't say, just show. Please don't say, just show. I will check. Okay, Manav.
Ma'am, Hayan.
Yes, Hayan.
Ma'am, Pratana. Ma'am, Agnes.
Pratana, I saw.
Ma'am,
Agnes, very good. My dear students, no need to call out your names. I can see everybody from here. Henry has completed. Lift it a little more.
Yes, ma'am. Henry is completed.
Okay, good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, now let me mark the answers, right? We got the word orange. Then Pear. Pear. Got it? Cabbage. Where is cabbage? C-A-B-B-A-G-E. Cabbage. Then apple. Apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Then the last one to be done is peas. P-E-A-S. Peas. P-E-A-S. Peas. P-E-A-S. Did everybody get all the names? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have to cross check whether we have marked all the 6 names or not. Check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Otherwise, we must not leave out any particular word. Did you enjoy doing it? Did you enjoy? Okay, good. Abhinav, show me your book. Have you marked? Okay, enough. Abhinav, did you mark all the 6 answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, very good, Abhinav. Very good. Okay. Now, are you ready to move to the next exercise?
Yes, ma'am.
2.2. Now, I'm going to mute everybody's devices and I will ask you on your own, you have to answer. Like here we have to match the pictures with the names of these fruits and vegetables. So first we need to identify, think about their names and then match them with the correct names. Okay, the first one, Agni, unmute. Agni, unmute. And tell me, which fruit is the first one? Agni, unmute. Unmute your device, Agni. Identify the first one. It is already done. Unmute. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Which fruit is it? This one, the first one. Tell me the name of that fruit.
Watermelon.
Sorry?
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Yes, very good. Tell me the spelling of the word or the name. Watermelon.
W
Uh,
A
hmm,
T
hmm.
E M
E-M. Water. Water. Melon. Watermelon. T-E-R. W-A-T-E-R. Water. Hmm. Melon.
O N
M-E.
MELON.
Very good. Watermelon. The answer is already matched here with its name, right? It's already done. Did you notice?
Yes.
Okay. Daniel, unmute. Identify the second one. Thank you, Agni.
Cherry.
Cherry. Very good. Spelling?
C-A.
Ch. Cherry. Cha.
C-H-E-R-R-Y.
R-R.
Y.
Y. C-H-E-R-R-Y. Cherry. It is at the letter E. Option E, right? C-H-E-R-R-Y. So use a scale and draw a straight line to option E. Cherry. Cherry. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Dan. Tirtha, unmute. Identify the third vegetable. Unmute, Tirtha. Try it one time. Try again. Try again, Tirtha. Ah, yeah. Okay. Identify the third one.
Ma'am, capsicum.
Capsicum. Very good. Spelling.
CAPSICUM.
Okay. At which option is that name?
Option A.
Very good. So we need to match the third figure with option A, capsicum. Fantastic, Tirtha. Thank you. Sandria, unmute. Sandria, try the fourth one. Identify the vegetable.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, identify the vegetable and tell me its name. The fourth one.
Cauliflower.
Cauliflower. Very good. Not cauliflower. Cauliflower.
Cauliflower.
Cauliflower. Cauliflower. Spelling?
CAU.
Don't drag the letters. U, C, A, U. Don't drag. CAULI.
CAULIFLOWER.
Very good. At which option is the name cauliflower?
F.
F. Yes, you're right. So we need to match the image of the cauliflower with option F. Option F. Okay. Thank you, my dear. Good job. Austin, unmute and try the fifth one.
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Say it properly. Strawberry.
Strawberry.
Strawberry, right? Spelling?
STRAWBERRY. Strawberry.
Very good. Strawberry. What color are the strawberries?
Red.
Red in color. Strawberries are red in color. Very good. Thank you. Dhruva, try the last one.
Ma'am, cyan.
Hayan, I have already given you a chance once, right? Please wait.
Ma'am,
Dhruva, try the sixth one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, Aisha can.
Aisha, please wait, my dear. Dhruva, identify the...
Lady finger.
Is it lady finger or lady's finger?
Lady's finger.
Yes. Did you notice one apostrophe S? Option B. You're right. Lady's finger. Ladies finger. Very good. Thank you, Dhruva. Well done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. My dear students, I request you to cross-check all the answers. Come on, do it. Lady's finger.
Yes, ma'am.
Lady's finger. Okay. Very good. Very good.
Jewel finished it.
Yes, yes. Okay. Those who have completed may please show it to me. I'll share the answers with you once again so that you can check.
Showing.
These are very simple, right? Okay. Good. Those who have... Dhruva, mute your device, please. Yeah, very good.
We completed.
I guess everybody has completed, right?
I'm Abhinav.
Okay, very good.
Agnes.
Yeah, Abhinav. Yes, okay, very good, very good. Irene, you joined late for the session, right, Irene? So don't worry, I'll be sending the notes in the group. At that time, you can check. Okay, Irene? If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the next session. Yeah, okay. Yes, Dhruva. Okay, no need to call out. I can see everybody's book from here. Evelette, okay, fine, fine. Okay, very good. So, my dear students, it is time for me to wind up the session here. Thank you very much. All of you have done a wonderful job too. Thank you. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.